Today I'll show you how to peel shrimp without smashing or tearing the meat. The first method, use a fork and insert it gently along the shrimp's back. This helps you separate the shell from the body easily, clean and smooth. Another trick, grab a pair of chopsticks, slide one from the top and one from underneath. Just like that, the shell comes off with almost no effort. Want to keep the shrimp fresh and tasty? Follow these techniques and handle them gently. It makes all the difference. But what about lobster? Press firmly on the lobster tail. The hard shell will crack open. From there, it's easy. Just pull the meat out and enjoy. To remove fish skin easily, just pour hot water over it. The heat will tighten the skin, making it separate from the meat effortlessly. Proper food storage matters. Follow these tips to keep your fruits and veggies fresh. Moisture helps leafy greens stay green and crisp for longer. Wrap them with a damp towel or store in a slightly humid container. To keep tomatoes moist, use this simple trick. It helps lock in freshness for days. For green onions, seal the root end tightly. That's the key to keeping them from drying out. Want to slow down banana ripening? Keep the stems covered to trap moisture. It helps extend their shelf life. Here's a bonus tip. Garlic contains allicin, a natural antibacterial compound that can slow down mold or fermentation when rubbed on the cut surface of watermelon. Do you know the right way to tie cords? Or ever struggled to separate two bowls that are stuck together? Here's a simple trick. Pour hot water over the outer bowl. The heat causes the surface to expand slightly, making it much easier to pull them apart. Problem solved, no force needed.